Ring-shaped bread existed before bagels became common in the United States.
Bagels arrived in the United States with immigrant bakeries in the late 1800s. Early bagels were made by hand in small bakeries, dough rings resting on a wooden board. Bagels remained a regional bakery product for many years. Demand increased as packaged bread distribution expanded. Bread shelf lineup. Mechanical baking equipment allowed higher production volumes. Industrial bakery equipment is wide, featuring stainless steel mixers and conveyors. This enables efficient, high-volume production. Freezing technology helped bagels reach new markets. Frozen bread trays are stored in large racks, preserving freshness for distribution. Supermarket distribution increased bagel availability. In commercial bakeries, recipes and sizes are standardized for consistency. Every batch begins with a precise ingredient measurement table. This ensures reliable results at scale. In a kitchen, the precise addition of flour and liquids creates the base for baking. On a larger scale, flour arrives in massive sacks at bakery receiving areas. This efficient supply chain connects flour producers directly to food companies. Industrial bakeries replace small batch production for mass markets. Bagels became a common packaged bakery product. Hook bagel packaging lineup. Modern bagel production combines baking, freezing, and distribution systems. Production begins with flour, water, yeast, and salt mixing. The industrial dough mixer combines these ingredients to form a smooth, elastic dough. Dough rests to allow fermentation. Hook dough resting bins. Dough is divided into equal portions. This is done by the dough divider machine. The machine ensures consistent weight and shape. Machines form dough into ring shapes. Ring forming line. Formed dough rests again before boiling. Proofing trays bagels. Bagels are boiled to create dense texture. Here, a conveyor system moves bagels through a boiling water bath. This step gives bagels their characteristic chew. Toppings may be added before baking. Seed topping conveyor. Bagels bake in large tunnel ovens. Cooling stabilizes texture before packaging. Slicing equipment prepares bagels for retail formats. Bagel slicing machine. Inspection checks size, color, and consistency. Hook inspection conveyor bagels. Finished bagels move toward packaging lines. Bagels are placed into plastic packaging for freshness. Packages are sealed, labeled, and dated. Cartons move through warehouses for distribution. Here, pallets of bread cartons are staged for shipment. Forklifts efficiently stack and move these loads. This ensures fresh bread reaches stores daily.
Bagels became a widely available packaged bakery product.